Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with another haul from Pomegranate Sticker Co. You can use code RWCS25 for 25% off, and it looks like she sent me some extra freebies, which is awesome for you guys. So I don't know when this video is going to go up, but usually when she sends me these little extra ones, oh yeah, this is my freebie for this month if you use my code from her shop, and it looks like there's 6 of them. I think I have 5 open orders right now while I'm watching this, so I'll probably throw them in that, or actually I have a few people that ask me for a habit tracker, so I'm going to save it for you. So if you're a habit tracker person, if I still have some of these, I'll get that to you. And then I have this freebie. I think this is her freebie for the month. So these are like checklists with little leaf pumpkins and little glitter headers and pumpkin spice and bows. So cute. Okay, so she sent me some of those too. So I'll be throwing those in with some orders at random. And then I had to have this. This is her like bucket list kind of thing. What is it called? The seasonal bucket list. So I have this one. It's got like picking apples, decorating the house, sweater weather, and then here's the Halloween one. So there's a fall one and a Halloween one, and I just had to have both because look at all of those things. I don't know that we'll do every single one, but hope so. I'm excited about crumbled apples. The place that makes them where I live just started them, so I'm super excited about that. All right, so this is a Halloween kit. This one is called, what is this one called? Mistress of All Evil. I think, yeah, Mistress of All Evil. So here's the extra full boxes that you can change out, but there's enough in the kit. And then the date cover has some little creepy deco, which is awesome. And my bat would go with this. I'm definitely going to be making a purple cat eventually. I just haven't yet. Now I do have a haunted house that's getting released soon. It might have already been released by the time you guys see this, so it'll go with that one. And the black bow, of course. Love those full boxes. And then here's the weekend banner and the freestanding checklist and functionals and build do's. This is a full kit. And then the heart checklist, Monday through Sunday sticker, and then some functionals down here. I love the colors. They're like purple and mint, which someone was asking me to make a mint pumpkin, but I won't this year, maybe next year. This is so cute. And then here's the headers and littles. And then here's the washi tape. That looks like what's on the, like, what is it called? It looks like the pumpkin's mouth. So I wonder if that's where she got it from. It almost looks like that. I don't know, it could be something different. But that's the washi tape and the date covers. So awesome. So that's Mistress of All Evil. And then we have this one, and it says Wicked Witch. Now there is going to be a new Halloween kit. She comes out with new releases on Saturdays if she has them. Being a sticker shop is not her full-time job, just like me. So there's that one. That's not really me, but I liked the like boots and the cat and the white pumpkin. That's why I got it. And the bat. And then there's the glitter headers. Those are add-ons. And then here's the weekend banner and the checklist and functionals. Here's the full boxes. Isn't this so cute? So I'll probably skip that one because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'll still have enough even without using her, but that's just not my style. So that'll be one of those full box extras if people want it. And then here's the full boxes. It has the bat on it and then the white pumpkin. So my white pumpkin would go with this kit. Yes. Then here's the half boxes, which she has in different sizes. So that's like a quarter. This is like a little bit of a half, and then that's a full half is what I call it. And then here's the date cover, or the header, sorry, and littles. And look at that washi tape. Those roses are just so beautiful. I just love it. It reminds me of the plum rose that I did. I don't know where mine went. I don't think I have one. I'm wondering if it's sold out already. I don't remember. All right, and then this one, I had to have this one. This one is called Farmhouse Spice. So I had to have this one because it also has the white pumpkin. Gotta bring it back. There's a white pumpkin right there. And then honestly, my pumpkin pie one would match this too, or just pie, whatever. But I think this one is sold out now, but the colors kind of match that. So deco and date dots, and then here's the glitter headers, and then here's the weekend banner and some functional checklists. There you go. full boxes. So it's a double full box right here, but I think honestly it'd be fine if you separated it and then it's like kind of a double full box there as well. And then look at the white pumpkin and the coffee. That's so cute, or tea or whatever. So adorable. And then here's the full box checklist with the big maple leaf and like a acorn, which I do have my maple leaf. Yeah, so excited. And then here is the half boxes. I like that dark teal, and then there's like a light blue and like a peachy orange, and then like a little off-white, white kind of color. So cute. There's the headers and the little bits. And then look at that leaf washi. I just love it so much. I just love it. I think it's gonna look so cute in my planner. I'm excited. And then these are washi strips, and then the work stickers, which I never use. All right, so next up we have the autumn feast. What does it say? Autumn Fest, which I thought I might use this. I have apple butter days coming up. I think it's like next weekend. So I wanted to use this possibly, which I know I have an apple. There's my apple. There's my apple. So there is apples in this spread, and then there's like pumpkins too, and then there's like looks like a nutcracker. There's glitter headers. And then I like this one. It has like the little group of friends, and then it says hello fall. And then it has some pies and some like hot cocoa or cider or something, and then some like cracking nuts and cranberries and apples and like the kettle corn that like you buy, those kind of things. I just think that's so awesome. And then here's the weekend banner and the checklist, which once again she has that like dark teal. It's a little bit different than that one, but the dark teal and orange. And then I think that's kind of, yeah, it's like blackish gray and then a maroon. And then here's the full boxes with the maple leaf. My orange pumpkin would go really well with this too, but I think I'm sold out of that one. I think I have mine, but so if you bought one, it would definitely go with this spread. Yes. All right. And then there's our half boxes and quarter boxes and habit trackers. And then here's the headers and little things. And then look at this washi. So she has like this brown flower. What is that? I know it's something. I'm trying to think of what it is. It's a fall thing. I don't know. I don't remember what it is. But I think this is cute. So it's very fall festival-y, which ours isn't at night, so it doesn't have like a lot of sparkles or anything. And ours is an apple festival. So I might use this for that week. I think that's the only festival that like my town does. So I hope you guys check out her shop, Pomegranate Sticker Co. You will not be disappointed. She has matte and glossy stickers. She has a few functionals, some script functionals, but she mostly does full kits. But I think is there mini kits? I think it's just, oh, she does have some mini kits. They're not super small, but anyway, so use my code for 25% off, and then you'll get that habit tracker freebie. Or in note to seller to me, you can always tell me what you want, because I have some extras that sometimes I have it, sometimes I don't. So thanks for watching. Give this video a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!